it's Adrian here, and in today's video I will take you guys through my night routine. So I just got back home and you guys see me put up these beautiful flowers that I got on my way back home from the other market. And I kid you not, these are like the most aesthetic, the most eye-pleasing flowers out there. Like, they literally bring life to my entire space, my bedroom, my bathroom, my hall, which I will show you in just a bit. So before, my husband used to actually get flowers for me, but now he has been shifted to another city, which I will be shifting soon, probably in just a few months. So I just wanted to take you guys through my night routine in this place before I actually shift. So having said all of that, I really hope you guys enjoy this night routine video, and let's get cooking. If you guys are vegetarian, I would highly recommend you guys to skip this part of the video because I really do not want someone who does not eat chicken to gross out. So I'm going to be cutting a few vegetables and saute them. I'm going ahead with a little bit of baby corn, carrots, broccoli, which is one of my favorite vegetables, and one zucchini. I don't specifically like to cut a certain way. I randomly cut anyhow that's easily chewable. I then place everything in a pan and let that cook for a while. I like to go in with the most basic ingredients like salt and pepper and give that a good mix, and some chili powder as well. Once that's cooked, I go in and add in a little bit of oyster sauce and soy sauce. I wanted to have it this way and I absolutely loved it. I did marinate the chicken and place this in my freezer overnight, so I will be adding this to my hot pan. I like to leave this aside and let it cook for around 10 minutes. I did go ahead and cut them into small pieces, which my camera forgot to capture, and then I like to add in a few ingredients like ginger garlic paste, a little bit of cumin powder, soy sauce, and oyster sauce to finish it off. Now that it's done, this smells so good, and I literally cannot wait to eat this, but I need to clean the kitchen, so we are going to get going. I'm done cooking, I'm done cleaning, and I basically do not prefer having my dinner right after I've cooked. I do not know if it's just me, but let me know if you guys also do not prefer to eat after you have cooked. I basically prefer to go in with a nice warm shower, basically to just clean myself after all the sweating and basically the hard work. I like to take a really short shower on days like these. Firstly, I will go in and take off my makeup. So I'm using my favorite cleansing balm from Ampoule. It is such a beautiful, lightweight cleansing balm that gets rid of makeup, dirt, without leaving my skin with any residue or any greasy feeling. So I really enjoy this. Next, I'm going in with a facial cleanser, and I'm using a salicylic acid gentle cleanser from CosRx. It is a really nice cleanser that cleanses pretty well. I do not use this cleanser every single day. I only use it once or twice a week depending on my skin. I'm cleansing my body with the Treaclemoon's Marshmallow Hearts body wash. I have used this before, and this is one beautiful scented body wash. It smells so sweet and beautiful. To me, it smells like fluffy cream and vanilla. It cleanses really well and has such a beautiful strawberry vanilla milkshake kind of scent to it. This is my second bottle and I absolutely love it. Before I hop out of the shower, I like to pat dry and follow up with a body oil. I'm using Bath & Body Works Rose and Vanilla body oil. This one smells amazing and moisturizes pretty well. I like to apply body oils over damp skin. That way it's just easier to apply and also adds in moisture back to your skin. I'm also putting on my body lotion. It smells like caramel and sweet vanilla. It is so sweet and moisturizes well enough. It isn't too greasy or oily. It is finally time to eat and I'm literally starving. I did cook quinoa, so I'm adding a little bit, and I really wish you guys could taste this through the screen. Like, it is just so good. I'm going to eat and watch Netflix. I'm currently watching Hidden Love. I'm watching it for the second time and it's a really good one to watch. It is time for my fur babies to have dinner. I give them a set of dry food mixed with wet food. That's the way they like it. It's been an hour and it's time for skincare, but before that I'm going to use a scalp serum. I'm using this curry leaves hair growth scalp serum from Love Beauty Planet. It's my hair wash day tomorrow, so I like to put this overnight and rinse it off the next day. I cannot really say much if this works since this is just my second time using it. I'm keeping my skincare routine pretty simple tonight, so I'm starting off with a toner. This is the pink AHA BHA toner. I love this toner, you guys. It's a super moisturizing toner, and this one helps to exfoliate dead skin cells as well as brightens and penetrates deep into the pores. I feel like no one's talking about this, but I personally really enjoy this. I love to layer this with the Tony Moly's Wonder Ceramide Mochi Ampoule. This one is super hydrating and it's perfect for the season. It has a thick milky texture and it absorbs really well into my skin. I then go in with this moisturizer from Simple. It's their Water Boost Sleeping Cream. It's a really nice gel moisturizer. This moisturizer leaves my skin so supple and plump the next morning, so I really enjoy this. I'm using the Color Bars Dry Oil tonight since I kind of lost it in my vanity while shifting and all of that, and I recently found this like today. It is a really nice dry oil to seal everything and it smells really nice too. I'm going in with a lip balm, and tonight I'm using the Plums Candy Melts lip balm in Red Velvet. It has this beautiful texture and is moisturizing. I recently got this body mist and I wanted to try it out tonight. It's the Champagne Toast from Bath & Body Works and it smells really beautiful. It smells like sparkling berries and champagne. Absolutely love it. I'm going to finish off with a hair serum just to keep my hair all intact while I sleep. I'm craving to have something sweet, so I'm going to have pomegranate to avoid sweets. I'm also pouring myself a cup of tea and I have been enjoying Earl Grey tea lately, so I'm going to be having that. It goes pretty well with pomegranate or anything sweet. While I'm going to enjoy that, I'm also going to be fixing my nails that have been chipped. So I'm just going to do some girly stuff here and I'll complete watching an episode of Hidden Love. I had to come here and let you guys know that my cats are not this naughty, but tonight, just because I was filming this video, I did not know what got into her and she just wanted to play around. it's time for bed, and I did forget to place these on my side table, so here it goes. It just adds life back into this room, and it is so pretty. I'm going to spray a pillow mist all over my pillows for a better sleep. I really do enjoy this one from Bath & Body Works. Whenever I have any ideas pop up in my head or I need to do something the next day, I like to quickly keep a note of it in my bedside journal. I got this book on Amazon and it's such a cute, pretty looking book. I don't actually write down in my diary every single day. It's only on those days when I have some content ideas that keep popping up into my head. That's the only time when I actually open up this book and I jot things down. I've also started doing something different into my night routine. Since my husband is in another city, it's really hard for me to actually sleep alone. I know many people will be like, why? That's just me. Like, I actually cannot get proper sleep. It's just my sleeping pattern and the way I am basically. So yeah, I've started doing bedtime yoga and I feel like that has been really helping me out at getting proper sleep. And also this pillow mist from Bath & Body Works, I think it has been helping, like both at the same time. But I think the bedtime yoga is more beneficial to me. So we are going to be doing a bedtime yoga, and I literally forgot my laptop outside, so I'm gonna go and get it. So that's the one I like to follow. It is pretty simple to understand and it always relaxes me before I fall asleep. I literally fell asleep while filming this video, so I would definitely recommend you guys to try this bedtime yoga before you sleep tonight. It is super relaxing and calms your senses. And that was my night routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I will see you very soon. Bye. Love you.